Everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove the CapCut logo or watermark from your video using CapCut Mobile. First, just open CapCut and create a new project like this. Just import the video that you want to edit, that you want to remove the watermark from. And in here, if you are a CapCut Pro user, removing the watermark is actually very easy. You can just use the AI remover. This one, AI remove, just click on it, and then in here you just need use the brush to highlight the area where the watermark is located. This one, just tap on brush to select, and then just brush the area that you want to remove, the watermark area that you want to remove. This one, like this, and then after that, just simply tap remove. And CapCut will automatically process the area and try to remove the logo from your video. And in here, what if you are a free user and you don't have to access to AI remove? Don't worry, you can still hide the watermark using a simple blur and mask trick. First, just duplicate your video. Just duplicate it like this. And then after that, just make it overlay and place it above your main video. And then for your duplicate video, just add a blur effect. Just go to effect. Just go to effect and video effects, and then just choose blur like this. For example, this one, and then adjust the blur. For example, like this. And then after that, just go to mask. Just go to mask, and then in here you can choose the shape that you want. Just match it to your watermark shape. For example, in here I want to use circle like this, and then adjust the shape. For example, like this, and then just place it until it's covered the watermark like this. For example, like this. And then in here you can adjust the filter to make it's more smoother. For example, like this. For example, like this. And just like that, your watermark already covered with the blur effect like this. And if the watermark stay in the same position, this will be pretty easy. But however, if the watermark move, you may need to use keyframes to follow its movement. And okay, that's basically it. This method isn't going to look as clean or smooth as CapCut's AI remove feature, especially in more detailed areas. But in my opinion, it's still good enough to make the watermark much less noticeable, especially when the watermark is small or located in a less detailed part of the video. So if you are a free CapCut user, definitely give this trick a try. And okay, that's how you can remove or hide a watermark from your video using CapCut Mobile. I hope this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.